Matam Sangna Mathou Todana Layraklaba Manipur Interstate Bus Terminus Isbt ngase Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Nouna recommission Toduna Tongan Mapham bus tarani thoi Lamthakhre Kumalampakta laiba Isbt complex the Pangthokiba Interstate Bus Terminus Nouna recommission Tobagi Thoramaduda Jirivam None Kakchingamadi Fairjol District Transport Office Singsu Governor virtual gi Kuthangda Hangdoki Thoramaduda Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Fongdokibada Miam gi Chathok Sasinda Hena Kudong Chanaba Ngasi Nouna Hodokliba ISBT asi Malem gi Thakta Changdamnaba Yaba Transport Hub ama Oinaba Semgatkani Kumjali Singani Taramathoida Miam gi Chathok Sasinda Hena Kudong Chanaba Gidamak Hodokiba ISBT asi Matam Khara Mathou Toram Labasu Lenga Kamadi Miam na Pamliba Thakadu Yobungam Danalaki Ngasi Nouna ISBT asi Amuk Hodopungam Liba Asina Miam gi Lantum Sing Mapham Chana Lengak na Sizinari Haibadu Mayek Sing na Udli Nouna Commission Tauraba ISBTS in a district Amaga Sathok Sasin Taubam Kaknatana Yulo Nadiba State Singda Sathok Sasin Taubadasu Hena Kumang Chausilagani ISBTS Sibu Nouna Hingat Hanabukonabada Achoba Taudang Low Kibat Lengaki Department Singbusu Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Fongdokpa Thagatpa Fongdoki Matam Sangna Mathou Toba Lepluraba Matung Ngasi Nouna Amuk Hangdokiba ISBTS Dagi Vaski Service Haukraba Route Sing Adudi Imphal to None, Imphal to Tamenglong, Imphal to Okrul, Imphal to Kamjong, Imphal to Wavagay, Imphal to Sugnu, Imphal to Yangang Pokpi, Imphal to Chandil, Imphal to Laisangthem, Imphal to Moirang, Imphal to Kakchingamadi, Imphal to Yaripokne.
Reactivation of ISBT symbolizes our collective resolve to ensure that public infrastructure serves the rightful purpose, efficiently, responsibility and for the welfare of people. It's just like not a transport terminal, it's an essential link that binds our state to the wider national network. By restoring its full functionality, we are strengthening connectivity within the districts, region, neighboring states and rest of India. Surface transport is a major critical pillar of our economic and social development, as mentioned by Mr. Vajpayee. Road and transport infrastructure enables mobility, facilitate trade, support livelihoods, and provides access to essential services. A well-organized ISBT will contribute to a safer travel, better regulation, and a more reliable system for commuters. I appeal to people of Manipur to treat the ISBT as their own, keep it neat and clean. Let's maintain its cleanliness together, respect its facilities, follow rules, and protect it from misuse. Public assets are built with public funds, and these are public places. 24/7, we can't put the police there to check and all. So we have to be together in understanding it's an asset for all of us.